Hi, my name is Lana and my assistant, Marvis. Today I will tell you a little bit about myself. 1, 2, 3, let's go! I've been working in the tech industry as a product designer for almost a decade. My work involved improving user onboarding process, developing a mail-based solution, and creating complex fintech products for millions of users across various platforms, including iOS, Android, web mobile, and even smart TV. Today, I would like to share a case from Eevee company. Eevee is an online video streaming service with 60 million monthly users. The goal of the project was to improve user onboarding and engagement to content viewing and provide more personalized experience. The problem of what to watch tonight is common among the users. Studies have shown that some people create a short list, while others watch infinite numbers of trailers until they find something they like. Others make choice based on their mood, such as let's look something horror or romantic. However, in general, research on our user behavior has shown that only 10% of our users have the highest retention and LTV. We also notice that this only happens with users who have personalized their main page based on their watch history. To be working, recommendation system should have at least 40 watch film or series in their user viewing history. How much time is needed to collect this data if we only focus on users who watch films? And why do we only use data from already engaged users? The task was given to personalize the user experience as soon as possible. Technical constraints require a complete reconsideration of the content storage structure and recommendation algorithm to respond immediately to user behavior. Unfortunately, we cannot reconsider our system at this time. We have only created concept for the future. For now, let's stick to our current solution. Our current algorithm requires numerous specific actions from the users. However, we shouldn't invent something new and focus on collecting data from non-engaged users and transforming data into argument why they should like us. Additionally, I would like to highlight my passion to improving recommendation and personalization system. This requires a deep understanding on technical issue and algorithm, as well as a design challenge to invent new ways to interact with users to collect more data without exhausting them.
One of the key decisions was to create recommendation based on the most popular genres and titles during onboarding. This approach allows the diversity of the content to be highlighted, and as the result, increase the chance that users will find something they love. Another interesting aspect is how the onboarding process works through the questions. It's not just about collecting information, it's a way to introduce users to the service while keeping them engaged in the storytelling. As soon as the user answers, the system updates instantly. Then users see how their answer immediately changes their recommendation. It creates a wow effect that makes them impressed. To immediately show feedback from the service, I suggested also changing content depends on user choice. It's more valuable for user instead of just ask question. It could work like this. You tap on film you like and related film based on several parameters are shown. You can like any of these and then other movie around this one changing too. But unfortunately, we didn't take it into develop because it requires comprehensive consideration of the recommendation algorithm and the content data storage. Okay, let's think how it's possible collect more data from the user by different engagement interaction. We have a screen when we ask user choose film that's interesting for you. But what mean interesting? Will this film in the recommendation if I like it now? Should I like the film if I already watched or didn't watch it? Just planning to watch. A lot of question. What if we give user opportunity to like or dislike? If you watch or save film in future. But this variant we didn't take in depth because we were not ready to processing this data and using it for personalization. At least we were taking in depth the simplest variant interaction, just like the onboarding flow starts after successful payment screen. That's why it mostly motivated segment to get high quality service. After that, we suggest to choose at least 3 favorite genres, and after that, at least 5 films that seems interesting for you. Not at all genres and film we showed, only most popular. This was followed by an important step where we showed how the selected titles, especially for the user, how the personalization process works with the loading progress indicator. Finally, we displayed a list of films based on the user selection. And congratulations! The first achievement is that the number of films added to user favorites has doubled. Conversion to content viewing after completing onboarding increased by 50% compared to last year. 80% of users successfully completed onboarding. I should mention that the close button was in the standard upper right corner, and we didn't use any dark patterns. User completed onboarding on their own initiative. Okay, next question come up. What should we do with users who already have a subscription? How can we engage them in onboarding? If we update the main page, how do we update the recommendations for them? We need an entry point within the product, not only onboarding. What if we ask questions directly on the main page? In the third iteration, I suggested using a mechanic familiar to everyone from Tinder, where you swipe right if you like something and left if you don't. This approach works well for both newcomers to the service and users who already have a recommendation but want to choose something new right now. If you're not familiar with the particular titles, one option to watch the trailer, or if you really like it, you can save it to directly in your favorites. This with solution we can provide users with a personalized service experience immediately.
And finally, I would like to share one lesson from this project. I think it was beneficial to persist in finding a solution that would satisfy everyone, despite technical limitation. If we had agreed to the current solution instead of choosing to use the new algorithm, we wouldn't have achieved such significant results.
Thank you for your time. You can find more projects on my website. And for any question, partnership and suggestion, you can write to my email or Telegram.